Today I want to look at a cute little website, powerful little website, WolframAlpha that I use for basically my calculator. Let's Google WolframAlpha, pull it up, and you'll get a place to compute things. So for example, if I want to expand um, some expression, x plus h to the 8th, which in the calculus class we've said using Pascal's triangle, you're going to get an expression with x's and h's in it where the coefficients of this expression, here's my answer, will have to be 1, 8, 28, 56, 70, 56, 28, 8, and so on, using the binomial theorem or Pascal's triangle. I can experiment with this a little bit. Let's see if we can work out by the limit definition the derivative of x to the 8th. So let me see if I can expand this. I'm subtracting off x to the 8th. So what I have here is, from our derivative notes, this is the rise over the run if the function is x to the 8th. And here's my answer down here. WolframAlpha will give me all sorts of additional information, much more than I might want. All right, so now let's divide by h. This is the computation one would make to compute the derivative of x to the 8th using the limit. Notice that my answer now has only h's in it, no denominator. The denominator is gone. So if I wanted to find the derivative of x to the 8th, I would take the limit of this as h goes to 0. All of these terms have an h in them except this last term here. And so 8x to the 7th must be the derivative of x to the 8th. Let's go ahead and get WolframAlpha to tell me that limit of this as h goes to 0. And WolframAlpha is going to tell me that the answer is 8x to the 7th. So I've worked out by the formal definition of the derivative the fact that, and an explanation for why the derivative of x to the 8th is 8x to the 7th. Now, WolframAlpha can do a great deal more. Notice these graphs down here. I can do things like compute 2 to the 100th power. And there it is in its 30 plus digits. I can do things like pi to 100, let's say 1,000 digits. I'm sure everybody listening to this would like to see pi to 1,000 digits, certainly. All right, this is the type of thing that would make Sheldon Cooper ecstatic. Pi to 1,000 digits. Anyway, this is WolframAlpha, a nice resource for all sorts of fascinating things in mathematics.